Hey guys, I'm Octavia Henderson with O Fitness LLC, and today we're going to be doing some upper body exercises to include our arms and our abs with a piece of equipment called the burn machine. The burn machine is a great piece of adaptive exercise equipment because you can use it seated or standing. I'm going to be doing all of our exercises in the seated position, so let's get started. So before we start our actual routine, I'm going to show you how to perform each exercise properly. Let's start with the Speedback. So you're going to turn your burn machine upright. You're going to use opposing hand grips. So left hand on top, right hand on the bottom. And we're going to start with a forward turn, like a Speedback motion. Now you can go higher to intensify the exercise, or you could go faster to intensify the exercise. I'll stop here. We'll also be going in reverse. So we'll go forward, and we'll also be going in reverse. Our next exercise is called the horizontal Speedback. You're going to maintain your opposing hand grip position, but you're just going to lie the burn machine onto its side. Once you get here, you're going to turn with both hands, top and bottom, the burn machine from one end of your body to the other side. Then you're going to flip the burn machine over and begin turning again from one end to the other side of your body, just like that. This exercise is also called stirring the pot. Our next exercise is the upright row. What you're going to do with your burn machine is turn it horizontally, facing the ground. Okay, then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to place your hands on the burn machine from the same side. So coming down from the top, left hand same side, right hand same side. Then you're going to start with your arms fully extended about to where your knees are. Then you're going to row up to just below your chin. Then you're going to fully extend again and row up. Extend, row. Again, this is the upright row. This next exercise is called the turnaround. So what you're going to do is place the burn machine horizontally to the ground, and you're going to place both hands on the same side of the machine. So I'll take my left hand, top down, right hand, top down, and I'll extend the burn machine out in front of me. So the first move we're going to do is we're going to go forward towards ourselves. So you're going to sweep down with the burn machine towards yourself, up towards your chin, and then turning out in front of you. You can see my hands turning in the burn machine, so allow your wrists to turn naturally here. So going down and towards my body, up to my chin, and out again. So this is going forwards. Then we'll reverse it and go in reverse towards ourselves. So we'll go up, sweeping upward towards the chin, and then down the body and away. So again, sweeping up to the ceiling, turning towards the chin, down the body and away. This is in reverse. I'll do it a little faster. So I'll stop here and I'll go forward towards the body, down and towards, then I'll reverse, flipping up towards the ceiling and then back towards the body and out. This is the turnaround. Next exercise is the burn machine chest press. So you're going to rotate your burn machine right side up like so. You're going to place both hands in the same direction on the burn machine. So I'm going to grab the handle starting from the side closest to myself, left hand in like so, I'm grabbing the handle, and I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so my palms are facing each other, if you can see. So I'm going to start up by my chest, I'm going to press out and then back in towards myself. Press out and then back in. For some extra rotator cuff strengthening and wrist strengthening, you can press out, rotate down so your palms are facing down towards the ground, and then rotate back to yourself, palms facing. Out, palms down, rotate back in towards yourself. Narrow grip, palms facing. You don't have to rotate, but you can, again, for added rotator cuff strengthening and wrist strengthening. So this is the chest press again. The next exercise is called the crossover. So you're going to hold the Speedback upright. You're going to place both hands on the same side of the Speedback. So I'm going to place my left hand in and then my right hand in. My palms are facing each other, if you can see me. And then you're going to take one hand with the Speedback handle and cross over. The other, bring it back. Other hand, cross over. The other, keep your arms straight and bring it back. This exercise is another great one for rotator cuff strengthening, the crossover. The next exercise is called the wrist twist. So hold the burn machine upright, place both hands in facing from the same direction. We'll start with a neutral grip position. That means your palms are facing each other. And you're going to squeeze your shoulder blades together really tight. This will help keep your shoulder nice and stable as you turn in, about a quarter turn, and then turn out, okay, to your starting position. If you have a lot of range of motion in your wrists, you can actually turn to your wrists all the way up towards the ceiling, like so. Only if you have that range of motion. So for this exercise, turn as much as your range of motion allows. So this is the wrist twist, okay? About a quarter turn, or you have a lot of range of motion, the wrist twist. Remember to keep those shoulders nice and stable and don't bounce up and down as you twist. The next exercise is called the front delt raise. So what you're going to do is hold the burn machine out upright like so, and you're going to place your hands in from the same direction. So I'm starting from the side closest to my body, and I'm going to bring one hand through towards the handle. I'm going to do the same thing with the other. Okay, arms out straight, start down low. Okay, arms straight, starting down low. And what you're going to do, palms down, is you're going to raise your burn machine up to shoulder height. Then back down again. This is the front delt raise. If you want to add a wrist twist to this, you can. So starting down low, you can start with your palms out, facing away from you. But when you raise the burn machine up, rotate them down. So this is with a twist, the front delt raise. You can do it without the twist, straight up and down, keeping the palms down towards the floor. Or you can start at the bottom with the wrists facing up. And as you raise the burn machine, rotate the wrists down towards the floor. Notice when you come back down, your palms will be facing up again. So rotate down, coming up, rotate up, going down. So this is the front delt raise. This next exercise is called the bicep curl. So what you're going to do is extend the burn machine out and upright like so. Bring both hands through, coming from the same side, And you're going to start down by your knees, okay? Turn your palms upright, and you're going to bend at the elbow, bring the burn machine towards your shoulder. Then you're going to extend back out. Now you might notice that my wrists are twisting a little bit here, but that's just because of the natural motion of the curl that I'm doing with the burn machine, so that's okay. Just try to keep your palms upright somewhat the whole time. Again, you will have a natural twisting motion, but that's okay. So this is the bicep curl. The next exercise is the shoulder press. What you're going to do is you're going to extend the burn machine out like so, placing both hands in from the same direction. Then rotate the burn machine up towards your shoulders with it parallel towards the floor. You're going to press up into the air towards the ceiling as far as you can. Then bring your burn machine back down towards your shoulder. Pressing towards the ceiling, and back down towards your shoulder. Press, shoulder. Press, shoulder. You may notice the burn machine turning a little bit with your wrist in a natural motion, which is okay. Don't do forceful turns here, okay? Just let the wrist move a little bit naturally, okay? Nothing forceful. This next exercise is called the overhead tricep extension. So, hold your burn machine outright. Bring both hands in from the same direction. Turn your burn machine up by your shoulders, just like this, parallel to the floor. And extend your arms out straight overhead. This is your starting position. Slowly lower your burn machine down behind your head as far as you can comfortably with your elbows up towards the ceiling. Extend your arms straight with the burn machine facing the ceiling again. So you're going to go down behind your head, extend out straight. Down, straight, down, straight. Again, this is the overhead tricep extension.